Chapter 9, Lesson 6. We did a little jump, and that's okay because we don't necessarily need the other lessons for 6th grade standards. Today we're going to be looking at different shapes, and we're going to be finding the area of those shapes by breaking them down. Now, you're going to see the word here, composite figure, and it says find the area of the composite figure. What is a composite figure? Well, the composite figure is a figure that gives you two or more shapes, and they're two-dimensional. So see how this used to be a trapezoid? Well, all I did is take a pencil and draw a line down here, and now, instead of a trapezoid, I have a square and I have a triangle. Why would one do this? Well, first of all, you might not want to use the formula for area of a trapezoid because it's longer, you don't want to make mistakes. Whatever the reason is, you can break down shapes, make them smaller, do the math in your head even, and then you're able to add the area of each shape together to get the total area for that shape. So let's go ahead and look at these steps. It's asking me, can you break it down into smaller shapes? The answer to this would be, well, yes, I can actually. So I'm going to use red, make a different color. Yes, I can. I already have the line drawn right here. It's right there. Instead of a trapezoid, I now have a square and I have a triangle. So now we're going to find the area of those shapes. Let's take a look. It doesn't matter where you start. You can start wherever you like. We can start with the area of a square. Now the formula for area of a square is area equals length times width. And you should know this from elementary school. So the length here is 3 because there's 1, 2, 3 units. And the area of the width is 1, 2, 3. So basically it is 3 by 3. And that would give you an area of a 9. So my area for the square is 9 square units as Q units. And of course, you can always put units with a little 2. That is the same thing. That's 9 square units or 9 square units like this. Let's make our lives a little bit easier. And with a little 2 up there. Okay? Now we're going to find the area of the triangle right here. So remember, we're going to look at the formula which says you need to find the area equals a half base times the height. So I'm going to go down to the triangle here. I'm going to look at the base here. 1, 2. Remember, we don't count the boxes. Sometimes you're like, oh, I can't count this one. It's not full. Nope, we count the line drawing this triangle. So down here we go 1, 2. That would be the base. So I'm going to do 2. Now I'm going to go to the height. Remember, these are stuck together, so they're being multiplied. Let's go to the height. We go here, 1, 2, 3. Remember, we look at the line. So it's 3. Don't forget we have half. But let's go ahead and go 2 times 3 gives me 6. I'm going to bring down my half right here. And I have now to take half of the number 6. What's half of 6, you guys? Half of 6 is 3, and that is 3 square units. So I'm going to go ahead and label. And now I have to go, okay, so now that I've done that, my job is to figure out, the next step, which is add the areas. I've got 3 plus 9 gives me a total of 12 square units. And we are done. That's pretty much it.